How to earn from Twitter meme pages. Yes, you can. Meme pages on X can earn through ads, tips, subscriptions, and brand deals. Let's break it down. So, first, ad revenue sharing. If you have X Premium, 500 plus followers, and 5 million impressions in 3 months, ads in your replies generate income. Verified impressions matter most. So, tips and subscriptions can also earn you money from X. Fans can send you money directly or pay monthly for exclusive memes. Host basis. You can sell tickets for live meme discussions or comedy sessions, charging anywhere from $1 to $999. Brand sponsorships and shout outs. Add watermarks or captions for local brands or promote other pages for a fee. Food chains and gaming shops often pay for visibility. Risks include copyright violations, low premium engagement, and fake sponsorship scams. Meme pages also face burnout from constant posting. Meme pages can earn real money on X by mixing ads, tips and subscriptions, and brand deals.